two PHP frameworks, both powerful, both battle-tested, but they're not the same, and picking the wrong one can seriously slow you down. Today we're doing a real comparison, Laravel versus Symfony in 2026. Not just surface-level stuff, but actual decisions that matter when you're starting a project. Quick favor, if you're into PHP or backend dev content, hit subscribe before we dive in. Alright, let's go. Overview. So real quick, what are we actually looking at? Laravel is a full-stack opinionated framework. It gives you everything out of the box: auth, routing, ORM, queues, mail, broadcasting, all wired up and ready. The philosophy is move fast, ship fast. Symfony, on the other hand, is a collection of reusable PHP components. You pick what you need, you wire it yourself. It's lower level, more modular, and a lot of major PHP projects actually run on top of Symfony components, including Laravel itself. So from the start, Laravel is a product, Symfony is a platform. That distinction matters a lot. Learning curve and developer experience. Laravel wins this clearly. You can scaffold a full CRUD app with auth in under an hour using Breeze or Jetstream. Artisan CLI, built-in debugging with Telescope, local dev with Herd, it's all there. Symfony, you're writing a lot more boilerplate. Services, dependency injection containers, YAML, XML config. There's a real learning curve. Not bad, just deliberate. Performance. Raw benchmark Symfony is slightly faster on lightweight setups because it doesn't load as many components by default. But in real-world production apps with proper caching Redis, OpCache, Octane on Laravel's side, the difference becomes negligible. Don't pick based on benchmarks alone. Flexibility and architecture. This is where Symfony genuinely wins. Because it's component-based, you can drop individual Symfony components into non-Symfony apps. Its dependency injection system is one of the best in the PHP world. You get precise control over how services are wired. Laravel is flexible too, but it has strong opinions. You can customize it, but you're working within its conventions. Ecosystem and community. Laravel has a massive ecosystem right now. Laravel Cloud, Livewire, Inertia, JS, Filament, Cashier, Vapor. It's genuinely impressive. The job market, the tutorials, the Discord communities, all larger. Symfony's ecosystem is more enterprise-focused. Drupal, API platform, Cilius, big, serious projects. Fewer jobs overall, but the ones that exist are often senior level and well paid. Long-term maintainability. For a 5+ year project with a large team, Symfony's strictness is actually a feature. The forced structure prevents architectural drift. Different developers can't easily write things in completely different ways. Laravel gives freedom, which can become inconsistency at scale if you don't enforce your own standards. So here's the real answer. Choose Laravel if you're building a SaaS, a startup MVP, a REST API, or an app where speed to market matters. Smaller team, faster iterations, rich tooling. It'll carry you very far. Choose Symfony if you're on an enterprise project with a large team, a long timeline, complex business logic, or if you need to build something like a custom CMS or a platform that other systems will integrate with. The upfront investment pays off at scale. And honestly, learning Symfony concepts makes you a better Laravel developer too, because a lot of what Laravel does under the hood is Symfony. That's the breakdown. If this helped you make a decision or just understand these two frameworks better, drop a like. It actually helps the channel a lot. Subscribe if you want more real backend comparisons like this one, and check the description. I've linked the official docs for both frameworks plus a few good starter resources. Got a question or a strong opinion on this? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.